Okay, we're coming back from our evening at Magic Kingdom. We wanted to show you the room before we messed it up.
I think we already did, though.
No, I don't, well, there might be a few things out. Okay, well, you walk in the entry and you come around, and here is the main living space. We may have said in an earlier video that we were in a two-room deluxe villa, and as it turned out, on the drive down, we called and we were able to get the one. We had to choose the two initially because that was the only thing available, and we wanted to come this weekend, and so we took the two. But thankfully, they must have had some openings, and we got down to the one, which means that we saved some of our DVC points. It won't be as costly to us. So even better. So this little kitchenette is fully stocked. It's a nice design here with the little galley area, dishwasher, all the cabinets have the various dishes that one would need. Everything here, coffee pot, all the supplies, except for they do not provide filters if you bring your own coffee, but their coffee comes in little filtered pouches. So if you do buy your own supplies, that's something I always say, bring your own coffee filters. Here's the stove, freezer with ice trays, and refrigerator, beautifully clean. Everything's always so nice. And then again, all the drawers fully stocked with everything you need. You can bring your own dishes in here and you're set up to go. You come in here, they are using their new Hey Disney system, which is using Alexa, but customized for Disney, so that's kind of cool. And then this is a pull down bed. Look at that, isn't that cool? Murphy bed, the couch disappears, and the bed pulls down. It's a little stiff, probably because I'm doing it from an angle. And that didn't sound right, did it? Okay, I think it's fine though. And that's really nice artwork back there. That's beautiful. Shelves on either side. Push the bed back up. And you've got a nice couch system. Additionally, this is a bed under the television here. It's a pull-down twin-size bed with fun art back there, Goofy on the horse race. The steeplechase, I think it is. Welcome, Banks family. You too could have your name there if you got this room. We have a view of Disney Springs. Let's see, there's too much reflection. I'm going to try to get out there. I could not figure out how to open that up earlier, but I will give it another try. For you, I'll do anything. Hey, future me is here to show you a couple things. One, here is our view. Outside of our room, we are by the pool and splash pad area, and then across from Disney Springs. And so that's cool. I cannot figure out how to get this door open. I have tried every configuration and it just is solid, so who knows. But in any case, a few other things I noticed on the side of this bed console is plugs and USBs. I know a lot of people wonder nowadays how to stay connected and charge everything, and so on the other side as well. And then on this pull down bed, on either side of the bed there is the same, and so just good to know all the different options. They're just everywhere, which is good because it took a while for Disney to catch up and do that, but they did. All right, back to past me. Okay, well, let's go into the room, and yes, we did quickly come in and pull some stuff out of our luggage before we went into the park. I think that is a beautiful presentation of photos over the bed. Look at that, how they hang on the pegs. and then overlap. Very beautiful. Next to the bed is the nightstand, and built into the light are USB ports and electric outlets. Full dresser if you plan to stay here for a while and need to unpack your luggage. Beautiful chair and chaise or footrest, and same over here. You have your outlets and USB chargers, and then again another. Oh no, this is not a door that opens. This is just the window. That's fascinating. Usually in the resorts, both exit out onto a patio. In years past, this wall used to be an open sliding panel because on the other side is a soaker tub. And in a remodel, they clearly walled it up. But this used to be a jetted tub in years past. Now it's just a deep soaker, and that wall was not there. Beautifully appointed though. Love the white countertops and the mirror. Hello, backlit mirror that glows, and makeup mirror with a light as well. And then you've got your closet with extra pillows, blankets, laundry, ironing board, and iron. Safe is over there, so that's very nice. And then this is an entrance to the commode and shower, but that also has another entrance out to the hallway in case people are staying out in that part of the area, so that the toilet and shower area can be used at the same time by different family members. All right, nice shower with great hose. I love when they give you the handheld shower to take instead of just the raised shower head outside. The commode with beautiful leaf artwork on the wall. Let's come back out here again. Hi, Diane.
Hi.
And then this is the cool thing about a DVC room, is that you have the laundry, and that's always wonderful because, you know, if you're here multiple days, it's nice not to have to pack as much, or weeks. Some people stay a long time.
I was going to say, we took a trip where it was 14 days here.
We did once.
Obviously at Alani we stayed 14 days. And
We have done that.
Full day.
Yep, so it's nice to do laundry. And there you go. Okay, that's the room. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And go ahead, if you would, like, subscribe. We try to do all the different rooms that we stay at different times and do a tour. And so this just goes into our supply of other room tours, and hope that you appreciated that. Be good to others. Bye-bye.